Hello guys, so magandang araw, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Elvis, isang matagumpay na aplikante mula sa Taiwan na ngayon ay narito na sa Poland. So let me share some fantastic news. It's all about Worksol. So right behind me is the Worksol office. So as a successful applicant from Taiwan guys, through Worksol, they have helped me to move here smooth and successful. So to my fellow kababayans from the Philippines and friends around the world, if you're dreaming of starting a new chapter in Poland, Worksol is the team you want by your side. So check out their Facebook and TikTok social accounts for job opportunities and invaluable insights. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Don't hesitate to contact Miss Anafi from Worksol for more details, informations, and inquiries. So let's make our dreams come true together, guys. So to my fellow kababayans diyan, sa mga kapwa ko Pilipino na nandito ngayon sa Poland, guys, kung naghahanap kayo ng panibagong trabaho na malilipatan, wala pa kayong trabaho dito sa Poland, pwede po ninyong hanapin ang Worksol sa kanilang Facebook account and TikTok account. Then mag-inquire po kayo kay Miss Anna Faye for more details, informations, and sa marami niyong mga katanungan bago kayo mag-apply. So they are willing to help you. Any inquiries you want and any information you want to know about them, contact Miss Anna Faye para po mag-guide niya kayo mag-apply dito, guys. So see you!